I'm Ms. Matthews, and I hope your practice has been going well of 3 breath practice and your focusing practice. And we're going to move on today to paying a little bit closer attention to our 3 breath practice. And a way to do that is by bringing attention to your mindful body, the length of your spine, remembering the softness, maybe swaying a bit, feeling that long length in your neck, and then bringing attention to, I had, an itchy nose, bringing attention to your heart beating, and I just have a microphone, so I have to go around it a little bit. So finding your heartbeat, which can take a moment, and then placing your hand on your belly. And we call these places on our bodies anchors. And if you think for a moment what an anchor is, that it's used to steady a ship. And the qualities of an anchor is that it's heavy and sinks down to the bottom of the ocean to keep the ship steady. And we can think about our heartbeat and our belly moving as a way for us to pay even closer attention to our belly breaths, to our deep 3 breath practice. So we're still going to notice the cool air coming in through your nose and the warm air going out. But this time when we practice, we're going to feel the air as it moves into our bodies, and as your belly expands on that breath, and then breathing all the way out. So here we go, closing your eyes or looking down, breathing in, and breathing out. Feeling the breath coming in. Belly expands into your hand, and breathing out. One more, breathing in. And breathing out. And if it feels good to you, maybe let's take one more, breathing in. And out. Take a moment to notice what happened in your body. Let your breath return to normal. Can you notice your heartbeat? If you would like to pause the video, you can talk with your teacher about how is it different to have your hands on your anchors. And what feeling did you get from the imagining an anchor and then thinking about these places being anchors, bringing your attention to your heart and your belly? Did that change 3 breath practice for you? Was it helpful? Wasn't it helpful? And why do you think it might be important for us to pay attention to our heart beating and to the air going all the way down into our bellies, feeling your belly expand out and in? So taking a moment. And our focusing practice today, we're not going to do it twice. We're just going to listen once, and then I'm going to guide you into opening our ears really wide to hearing the sounds of our own breathing, and then hearing the sounds in the classroom, maybe listening to someone's breathing next to you. Challenge for you, we're not putting on any sound in our breath, it's just the natural sound that's there of our lungs working, of the air coming in. And then we're going to see if we can hear sounds out in the hallway, maybe outside. If your classroom has windows, you can hear the birds starting to be springtime. And here we go. Closing your eyes, checking in with your body. Feeling the breath, hearing the sound of your breath as it comes in, moves out. And then opening your ears wide and just listening to the sounds in your classroom. Maybe of your neighbor breathing softly. Listening even more closely to the sounds in the room, sounds out in the hallway. Maybe you can hear the sounds in my video. Bringing your attention back to your body, to your mind, and blinking your eyes open. How was this practice for you today? And can you take this calm feeling and this focus into your lesson, into the rest of your day? And I'm going to challenge you to practice 3 breath practice with anchors and a listening practice, opening up the sound to everything around you and then bringing it back to you. And do you have to put your hands on your anchors when you practice 3 breath practice? No, you don't have to. But does it feel good to put a hand on your heart and your belly? Maybe so. It does for me, especially at times when I feel my heart is going really fast and my breathing is going really fast and I want to slow everything down. That's a nice time to bring attention to anchors. So you see how it goes for you. Good luck with your practice. Enjoy your day. Thank you for practicing.